Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to accept payments on your Google Sites website, whether you are selling products, services, or donations? Adding a payment gateway is easy. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to do it. So, what you will learn: the best payment gateways for Google Sites, how to add PayPal, Stripe, and Google Pay, how to embed a buy now or donation button. Step 1. Choose your payment gateway. Google Sites doesn't have built-in payment options, but you can use third-party gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Google Pay. PayPal, great for one-time payments and donations. Stripe, best for credit or debit card transactions. Google Pay, perfect for seamless payments via Google accounts. For this tutorial, I will show you how to add PayPal and Stripe since they are the most popular. Okay, first of all, let's create a PayPal button. Go to paypal.com and log into your business account. Click on Business Tools and follow my instructions. Click Create button and copy the HTML code. Now let's add the PayPal button to your website. Open Google Sites and go to the page where you want the button. Click Embed from the right panel. Paste the PayPal button HTML code. Resize and position the button as needed. Click Publish to save your changes. Test the button by clicking it and checking if it redirects to PayPal. If you prefer credit card payments, let's set up Stripe. Go to stripe.com and create log into your account. Click Payments, then Payment Links, then create payment link. Add a product name, price, or currency. Click Create link and copy the payment URL. Now embed Stripe on Google Sites. Now let's add Stripe to your site. Open Google Sites and click Insert button. Name it Pay with Card or Checkout. Paste your Stripe payment link as the button URL. Click Done and adjust the button size. Preview the site and test the payment button. Now add Google Pay via Google Forms. It's optional. Want to accept payments via Google Pay? Here's a simple way. Open Google Forms and create a new form. Add fields for customer details, name, email, product. Use Payable Forms add-on to connect Google Pay. Share the form link on your Google Sites page. This works well for digital products or donations. Now, final testing and publishing. Before going live, let's test everything. Click the PayPal button. Does it redirect? Click the Stripe button. Can you enter card details? If using Google Pay, does the form process payments? Once everything looks good, click Publish, and your site is ready to accept payments. And that's it. You now have a fully functional payment gateway in Google Sites. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments which payment method you will be using. Turn on notifications for more Google Sites tips. Thanks for watching.